Hi friends, this is Akshay Daga. In our last video, I have shown you how we can connect Node MCU 8266 to Arduino IDE. And once that is done, now we are ready to implement any small project using Node MCU. In one of our previous videos, we have implemented one application in which we have read analog temperature data using LM35, and we have sent that data using Wi-Fi module ESP01 and Atmega 2560, that means Arduino Mega board. We have sent that data to ThingSpeak server, and there we have seen live graph of temperature versus time. So we will be implementing same application using Node MCU. So basically what happens in Node MCU, Wi-Fi module is built in, so we have to make less number of connections, and the code which we have written for that is comparatively small. So this is the code for that, and this code will be available for you to download in the description of the video. So here you can see these are the steps to configure a Node MCU with Arduino IDE, and for that you can check my previous video also. These are the connections we will be making. See, here we will make only three connections, that is LM35 sensor and Node MCU board. One is VCC, one is ground, and one is analog output of LM35. These are the connections. This is the pin diagram of Node MCU board, and this is the step to implement this program. I will show you, I will demonstrate you. This is the code, and it is available with all the comments. It is very simple code basically. So first of all, what I will do, see, these are the connections I have made. This is Node MCU. We have seen there are only three wires, and this is LM35. You can see ground, VCC, and middle one is output, which we have connected here. That white wire, this one is A0 pin of Node MCU, and this is connected to micro USB, and other end of this wire is connected to my laptop through USB port. Once that is done, now we are ready to upload it. You can see in tools we have selected Node MCU 1.0 ESP12E module, and in port is also selected correctly. Once that is done, we will upload this data. And one more thing, before uploading, we have to make some changes. Till that time I will show you what we can do. So as I mentioned in my previous video, the temperature versus time graph video, we have to log into ThingSpeak server, and then we have to create a new channel. I'll create new channel here. Node, give any name, Node MCU, and temperature LM35. Once that is done, click on save channel, and once that is done, go to API keys, copy this right API key, and go here. You have to make three changes in this code. First one is this API key, I will put it here right now. Then second one, name of your Wi-Fi, and third one, password of your Wi-Fi. Okay, you have to change three things, and after that this code will be ready for you. So once I make those changes, I'll save it, I'll upload it once again. Once code is uploaded, meanwhile I am opening serial monitor here. You can see baud rate is set to 115200, and both NL and CR option is selected. You can see program is uploading right now. Once that is done, see, now you can observe here, it is connecting to Wi-Fi, it is connected to Wi-Fi. My IP address is this, and this is my room temperature at this moment, and we can observe this on the graph also. So we have to go to private view, and here we can observe the graph. there are two same values. You can see the graph for that. I'll touch the LM35 sensor so that its temperature will increase because of my body temperature. See, from 22 it has raised to 27. I mean 26.67. That will be reflecting here. See, so in this way we have implemented same application with Arduino Mega board and now with Node MCU. So that's it guys. I hope you like this video. If you liked it, click on like button, otherwise press dislike button. If you have any doubt, you can write it in comment box, and if you want to see some similar videos, you can click on subscribe button. Thank you very much. That's it. You are watching this video on Dumbbox.